she in love with that sativa. When she blow that dope inside her lip.
Hey guys, Colleen here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe on your way out. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for coming back and checking in your girl. This vlog is a little different. I'm doing a voiceover today because I really want to get into this project. And yeah, I was super duper excited for this because if you've been following me a while, you guys know that I've been doing little home improvements on my beauty room bit by bit. So I would have bought a Hollywood Vanity mirror last month and some pampas grass, but I indicated that I really wanted to change out the window treatment. So I finally got a chance to do that. I'm going to show that to you there today. And I'm adding, of course, some little bits and pieces to, give that vibe that I'm looking for. I've been watching TikTok of late and I've been following the vanilla girl aesthetics and I'm really into that. So I'm drawing some inspiration here to try and achieve that look in my own way and just add some little twists here and there. So this is what my room currently looks like, and I am right now gonna clear out like all this stuff in order for me to carry out the projects that you're gonna see me do here today in this video. So I'm just moving out my ring light that takes up so much room. Of course, you're seeing Orchid there. He is very curious every time I am doing something in this room. He always keeps me company. So I'm just moving out the desk here so that I can take down the curtains that I currently have. I don't like the curtains. I mean, they were just, utility, but I didn't like the look of it. It was just making the very small room dark. So I'm just sweeping up the dust bunnies that, gets caught up with the curtains. And I'm taking out the curtains that I bought from Bachus in Chaguanas. I got them for $120 TT for 4 panels, which is a steal of a deal. I have yet to come across another place in Trinidad that sells it that cheap. And I just love how lightweight and airy it looks, and it makes the room like you actually getting you're feeling a difference in your room now that the curtains have changed. So I'm just throwing out the packaging from the curtains there and whatever junk I've accumulated. And of course I bought some other things. You know how it goes, you go for one thing and you end up buying more things. This here I was pretty excited for. These are curtain fairy lights. I got these from Fair and Square in Chaguanas for $150 TT. I saw them on Temu. I was going to buy it from Temu at first, but then I was like, I really need to make a huge order in order for it to make sense. And at the point in time, I didn't have a lot in my cart. Of course, you see me here detangling the fairy lights. This is basically a 2-man job because I was taken aback at how long the lights are. Not just the length of each light strand, but how long across it was, So it's definitely a task detangling the lights here. I needed Amaya to help me, and she graciously helped, and once we were able to figure out how to detangle the cords, it was time to start stringing the lights onto the window and the window treatments here, right? So I just simply looped one end of the curtain lights, and then I kind of looped it around the rod and brought it around, and pull each strand down to give that curtain effect. And This took quite a while, but eventually I was able to build a rhythm. And once I was able to build a rhythm, it worked out pretty well, and I was able to loop the curtain lights twice over because, of course, like I said earlier, this is a very small window. You could tell the room is very small, you know, but the lights here is going to make so much of an impact on this room, just the look and feel and aesthetics of the room. So I can't wait to show you guys, because it looks so much better in person. So I'm just there trying to loop it around again. So I'm back in the center, looping it there. And what I did, now the cool thing about this is it's a plug-in, it's not battery operated. So you can plug it out and plug it in when you need to, and you don't have a battery to kind of run it down. So I just simply plugged the lights into the side of my Hollywood Vanity mirror there, and that's me putting it in. It does have a remote on it to change the setting of the lights to whatever desired mode you have. I think there are about 3 modes if I'm not mistaken. So check it out. And of course, that's me there with some faux hanging vegetation that I also got from Fair and Square for 35 TT dollars, which again is a steal of a deal. I saw something similar on Temu. I'll make sure to link it in the description bar below if you're interested in something like that for your home. And I am just straightening up here because, of course, I like to straighten up as I, arrange and stage things. So I just moved down the 4 flowers that I had on my shelving that houses my body mist there. And the plan is to hang the vegetation on the shelving there and have it cascading down, which is something I always wanted. So, it took me a while to find the right thing there. So I just put the 4 flowers on that 2-tiered acrylic organizer on my vanity. I may change it out, but for now it looks cute there, and I am going into this box because I'm pretty excited, guys. So I was sent a candle warmer lamp. I will link the seller down below. They have an Amazon storefront you can get this candle warmer lamp from, and of course these are the instructions there and the components to the candle warmer lamp. So if you're picking this up, make sure to take a good read of it, because this lamp boasts some really cool settings. I was impressed with how many settings this lamp has. So I'm just taking it out of the packaging. As you can see, it was well packaged. It did not have any scratches, dents. It did not come damaged. So I was pretty excited to set this up on my vanity. That is where it will be the focal point. So I'm just going to take it out of the plastic here. As you can see, it does come with an extra bulb. There is a bulb already installed in the lamp, but it does come with an extra bulb, which I find is a very great feature, So at least when the next bulb blows, you have a spare. So I'm just moving off the packaging here now to set up the candle warmer lamp. The cord came well wrapped. The cool thing about this is that it has an adjustable stem, so you can adjust the height of the lamp. So I'm just pulling it up to the highest height, to give it that kind of nice streamlined look. It does have a remote control, well, not a remote control, but a control with settings on it. So I'm just opening out the wiring there so I can set it up, right, and plug it in. So I'm going to plug it in here so you can see how it looks, but right now I just love the aesthetic of it. I love the white, I love the gold, I love the faux wood finish. It looks very sleek and on trend. And I'm just putting in a 3-wick Bath and Body Works candle here. It fits nicely, right? It's like it's made for the Bath and Body Works 3-wick candles. It looks so nice. And the cool thing about this is it has a dimmable setting with 4 settings where you can increase the lighting or dim it. And it also comes with a timer, guys. So if you are forgetful like me, you could put a timer on it and it will automatically come off. I actually prefer this to actually lighten my candles now, because before the soot and the smoke used to bother me. Now I'm getting the full scent and aroma of the candle without the soot and the smoke, and I highly recommend that someone who has sinuses but you want to enjoy your candles, get a candle warmer instead of burning your candles. This is so much safer, and you really get the true scent of your candles here. And I'm just taking in how beautiful this piece is. Right, I took it off there just so you can see how the window treatments look. This is later on during the day. Of course, there's Orchid there because he has to inspect and make sure everything is good. So I just love how this looks. I can't wait to do the next stage. The next stage I'm gonna tackle is my shelving here. As much as I love my Bath and Body Works mist, my body mist, it's not going with the vibes. So I think I might change it out and, definitely add a new carpet there. The carpet there, she's rough, but I want to change her out. Again, going for the Vanilla Girl aesthetics. But so far, I'm really loving how my Vanity looks and my beauty room looks, and that's just Archie there going in the box because he likes to sit down in the boxes, which is so funny. I want to get him a cat bed, so I am going to look for cat beds and put it right there for him. I think he'll love that. I love the cascading vegetation there. It looks so cute. And this is later on in the evening, with the lights on, and it just looks so cozy and romantic. And I just love how this looks. I am super happy with the results. I hope you like this video, and follow me for the next stage. Thank you so very much for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in another one, guys. Oh, look at the lights. Ooh, they look so pretty. Yeah, bye, guys.
I just see big watch her pose like Mona Lisa. She switch it up on me, I cannot keep her.